Hi there, just taking you on a quick tour of this Toyota hybrid CHR. Obviously you take advantage of the petrol hybrid engine, making it a bit more fuel efficient. I'll show you the panels and the interior, so you can see the panels are generally in very good condition, and the alloy wheels as well, the diamond cut alloy wheels. You can see, great. I'll show you these panels. There's a minor scrape there. Let's see if we can show you there, but it's quite small. You got the alloy, diamond cut alloy wheel, great condition. As you can see here, you got the reverse park sensors, and it's got a camera as well, which I'll show you an example in a minute when we go inside. I'll show you the size of the boot. Huge boot. You can see the width from that. Again, this wheel, excellent condition, and like I said, the panels are in very good condition. Scratch there, just so it'll be completely transparent. A little minor mark, no, it's just a scratch. And this wheel is an automatic car, and it's got low mileage. As you can see, the mileage is 26,802. You can see automatic. Put it into reverse, so you can have a look at the reverse park camera. It's a nice clear camera with the guidelines as well. Put that. I'll show you the condition of the leather seats. Leather seats in excellent condition. By the way, this car also has sat nav. Go. Cool little handle for the door there. Again, you can see the condition of the leather is very good. This car comes with a 1-year warranty, 6 months tax, and 1 year MOT. And for a 19 plate, it is on low mileage, only 26,802 miles. Any more questions, just give Ray from the sales team a shout.